Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones price prediction. And we're gonna see the daily analysis, starting with Nasdaq here. And on the daily, it's a new chart here, and because I want to highlight on something very interesting in Nasdaq. So we are in a 1-2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for wave 3, expanding flat, wave 4, and wave 5 unfolding, right? So basically, we got a 1, 2, 3. Now, very weird wave 4, right? So the wave 4 took a lot of time as alternation and timing here for wave 2. It's a question mark, right? What I see right now inside the wave 5 is that the wave 4 is unfolding or doing the same thing what it has done over there. Like, we don't have really a strong wave 2 there or a long wave 2 in time. And that means right now the wave 4, in case it is this triangle, which is problematic again for me because again, we get a long time reflecting this wave 2, which is very, very shallow in time. And this wave 2 is even shallower. And so now, because this happened before during the impulse, so that might means this is a characteristic of the impulse in this market. This is how the market psychology is right now, pushing very, very high and then just wait and wait and wait, of course, for continuation toward the upside, like hesitation again, okay? But for a long time. But why? Again, I hope that it's not another tension that it is coming again in the Middle East. Actually, I hear the news also, they are not really good. So hopefully this is not another longer correction, like kind of like a W, X, and a Y. Even so far, it is a triangle. I still think that the wave 5 might still be unfolding from there. So this is the main scenario here. So I'm looking for a wave 5 for a new all-time high. But basically, I'm wondering why. Okay, why we are ranging so long in time again. Otherwise, well, it's really hard to call a 1-2 as well without 0.38 here. Um, so I'm start to thinking like, what if this is a 1-2 as well, and this is a wave 3, and the large wave 4 right now is going to unfold, and then wave 5, just like that, guys. Okay, so this is a question mark. I'm gonna keep this in mind. Okay, I'm gonna keep that scenario in mind in case it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna put this as a 1, potential wave 2, 3 short, and then getting wave 4 very sideways, and wave 5. So I'm gonna put it in blue here, and yeah, we'll see with a question mark here. Yeah, so a question mark. Okay, is it a wave 2? I mean, what about the 0.38? Okay, so we're gonna keep it just like that each time. We might come back from time to time to it, guys. So now let's dive inside it. Let's dive inside this wave 4 that we just mentioned as triangle. Well, as I mentioned in the daily close yesterday, be careful. I see a red flag everywhere. Yeah. So exactly what this is what I meant. So ABC is very likely to be unfolding here in two probabilities. If you are in a triangle, you're looking for wave E, you're pushing for higher. Your wave E has to be an ABC. In case we're still in a diagonal where we are looking here at something as a wave 1, wave 2, potentially wave 3 has to unfold as well as a potential zigzag or a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Nobody knows as well if it wants to follow another impulse here, but I think this is also a zigzag, guys. So I'm looking for a zigzag as well over there. Therefore, a wave B can be required for the wave 3, of course, of the diagonal, which is this scenario, and a wave E there, where we might get, of course, a little bit deeper here, wave C, and then pushing for higher. So both case scenarios at the end will push for higher. This is your wave 3 here, and then getting another 4 and a 5. Yeah. And your wave E can be even much more bullish. Why? Because if we are in a triangle here, wave 5 might explode. It's a very large, long correction. So expect explosion after. Yep, so this is what I'm expecting for Nasdaq, guys. Let's move to SPX. For SPX, also for S&P, I'm looking also still for the same. Now, I didn't saw any retracements the same like Nasdaq, so S&P is still looking strong, I would say. Can still unfold this wave 3 diagonal where we might still be in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, A, B, and a C. You need the wave 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here to hit the target. And finished, of course, finish a wave 3, then 4 and a 5, having it just like that, 4 and a 5, hitting the 1-to-1, $7,726. So we're still looking for higher, I believe, but don't forget that this wave 2 still can be like A, B, and a C in very high probability 1-hour chart here. You might be in an expanding flat A, B, and a C. The wave C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and then pushing for higher. Okay. So that is the probability here for SPX. In case we are also in the triangle, don't forget that you might also be in the ABC for a wave E. So I'm gonna put this there for you guys. So A, B, C, D, and an E here, and we might see this pass there, where you might see a zigzag down for a wave E, and then you push for higher again. Yeah. So and then you push for higher for something very very bullish. Yeah. In case of this zigzag. In case we are in the diagonal, then you are looking also for lower for this part here to be lower, but you're expecting also something higher from there. So it's a small part here that you might finish and then push for higher because you are in a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Okay, guys, so that was it for SPX. A little bit lower prices can be unfolding something, but even if we dive deeper, yes, this is still a wave E, and then we push for higher. In both case scenario, it's bullish, guys. It's a micro level bearish. All right, so for Dow Jones, we're looking as well for this ending diagonal finish potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It still can be something, yeah, like a zigzag, meaning like A, B, and a C here. So be careful. It still can be. Don't forget, please, the confirmation for higher here is something very massive unfolding. Okay, so if the market is going to explode, 53K, exactly very psychological number as well. If taken, that means a large wave 3 is going to unfold over there, meaning 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and then a large wave 3, maybe even like diagonal 1, 2, and then a large wave 3. Okay, so we'll see if this is gonna happen. That was it to the daily analysis for the US indices. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.